Courtesy of TUSKYS, we have 60 days of Deals Power promotion that is currently running. And in that promotion, we are giving out our grand prizes, which starts from 20 plots. The second grand prizes that we have is your kitchen makeovers.
At the entire home, all the equipment that you require in your kitchen, in your living room, in your bedroom, in your compound, to decorate your house, all those are available. They are available in the form of electronic goods. We have the entire range of electronic goods. Then apart from that, for those who are going to school, I've seen parents even up as from today, we have the stationery that you require, and not just available, but available and on offer.
In fact, we are going to be able to create many more jobs than we thought we would create. And that is because of our customers. Let's clap for our customers. I'm sending a message to customers that when you support TUSKYS, when you support a business like TUSKYS, you are also supporting the community through jobs and many other things that TUSKYS does for the community.